Some foods contain harmful chemicals, additives, or processing methods that increase the risk of cancer. These foods can trigger inflammation, oxidative stress, and DNA damage, leading to the development of cancerous cells. The role of diet in cancer prevention. A balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can significantly lower the risk of cancer. By making informed choices, you can protect your health and well-being. 1. Processed and red meats. Why processed meats are harmful. Bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can turn into carcinogenic compounds in the body. The risk of red meat consumption. Excessive consumption of red meat, beef, pork, lamb, has been linked to colorectal cancer. Cooking meat at high temperatures further increases cancer risks. Healthier alternatives. Opt for lean meats like chicken, turkey, or plant-based proteins such as lentils and beans. 2. Sugary and highly processed foods. How sugar fuels cancer growth. Cancer cells thrive on sugar. Excessive sugar intake leads to obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, increasing cancer risks. Hidden sugars in everyday foods. Many packaged foods contain hidden sugars. Always read labels to avoid excessive sugar consumption. Healthier alternatives. Replace refined sugars with natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or stevia. Fried, grilled, and charred foods can be quite tasty, but, they come with their risks. When meat is grilled, fried, or charred, harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines, or HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs for short, form. These compounds can increase cancer risks, so instead of deep frying or grilling over an open flame, consider healthier cooking alternatives like baking, steaming, or air frying. Refined carbohydrates and ultra-processed foods, they are everywhere, aren't they? Refined carbs like white bread and pasta cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, promoting insulin resistance and cancer growth. To support better health, switch to whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Artificial additives and preservatives are, unfortunately, common in many of the foods we consume. The dangers of artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Additionally, food colorings in candies, sodas, and processed foods may contain carcinogenic compounds. It's always a good idea to choose safer alternatives like natural sweeteners and foods without artificial colors or preservatives. Dairy products and hormones. This topic has sparked quite a bit of controversy. Some studies suggest a link between high dairy consumption and increased risks of breast and prostate cancer due to hormones present in milk. So, what can you do? Well, you can try plant-based alternatives like almond, soy, or oat milk. Now let's talk about alcohol and its impact on cancer risk. Alcohol can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancers, including breast, liver, and esophageal cancer. To stay safe, it's wise to limit alcohol intake or choose non-alcoholic beverages. Moving on to pesticides and contaminants in food. Pesticide residues on fruits and vegetables can contribute to cancer risk, so whenever possible, choose organic produce to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. Genetically modified foods, or GMOs, and their link to cancer have been a topic of much debate. Some research suggests that genetically modified organisms may pose long-term health risks, though, honestly, more studies are needed to draw definitive conclusions. To reduce your GMO intake, you can opt for non-GMO labeled foods and organic products. BPA and plastic contamination in food is another important topic. BPA, or bisphenol A, is found in plastic food containers and has been linked to hormone-related cancers. To minimize exposure, consider using glass, stainless steel, or BPA-free containers for your food storage. Now let's talk about some tips for a cancer-preventive diet. Eating a diet rich in whole foods and antioxidant-rich choices can be very beneficial. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds can help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, planning your meals with fresh, natural ingredients and preparing homemade meals can help you avoid harmful additives. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key takeaways. Avoid processed meats, sugary foods, fried items, artificial additives, and excessive alcohol. Instead, choose organic, whole foods and natural cooking methods. By making gradual changes to your diet, you can significantly lower your cancer risk and improve your overall health. So, make smart food choices today for a healthier tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share Liz J Naturals for more health tips and wellness insights.